If you or your family members have lice infestations, the Lice Complete Kit 123 may be a solution for you. This kit is specifically designed to treat lice in the scalp, pubic area, or body. The medication works by paralyzing and killing the lice, providing relief from the irritation caused by the infestation. It is important to follow the dosage instructions and apply the treatment at the optimal timing to ensure the best results. Remember to always read and follow the instructions on the product carefully. This medication is for external use only, so be sure to avoid getting it in the eyes, nose, mouth, or vagina. If it does come into contact with these areas, rinse with plenty of water and contact your doctor if irritation occurs. Do not use this product on eyelashes or eyebrows, and if you are using it on an infant, be sure to cover their hands and feet to prevent them from putting it in their mouth. Apply the medication in an area with good airflow, such as near an open window, and leave it on the hair and scalp for about 10 minutes or as directed by your doctor. After rinsing and drying the hair, be sure to use a nit removal comb as directed to remove any lice eggs. Since this product does not affect the eggs, you will need to repeat the application 7 to 10 days later to kill any newly hatched lice. If your condition does not improve after these 2 treatments, be sure to consult your doctor. If you experience skin irritation while using this Lice Complete Kit 123, it's important to consult your doctor or pharmacist. It's rare to have a serious allergic reaction to this medication, but if you experience symptoms such as rash, swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing, seek medical help immediately. It's important to note that many people using this medication do not experience serious side effects. If you notice any other effects not listed here, make sure to contact your doctor or pharmacist. In the US, you can report side effects to the FDA at 1-800-FDA-1088 or at www.fda.gov/medwatch, and in Canada, you can report them to Health Canada at 1-866-234-2345. Before using Lice Complete Kit 123, make sure to check with your doctor or pharmacist if you have any allergies to pyrethrins/piperonyl butoxide, chrysanthemums, ragweed, or any other allergies. This product may contain inactive ingredients that could cause allergic reactions or other issues, so it's important to speak with your pharmacist for more information. Also, be sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist about your medical history, especially if you have any skin infections. If you find yourself constantly scratching your skin or scalp, it could lead to a bacterial skin infection. If you notice worsening redness or pus, be sure to contact your doctor right away. If you are pregnant, it's important to discuss the risks and benefits of using this medication with your doctor before proceeding. Additionally, it's not known whether this medication passes into breast milk, so it's crucial to consult your doctor before breastfeeding while using Lice Complete Kit 123. When using the Lice Complete Kit 123, it's important to be aware of potential drug interactions. These interactions could affect how the kit works or increase the risk of serious side effects. It's important to discuss all the products you use, including prescription and non-prescription drugs, as well as herbal products, with your doctor and pharmacist. Do not make any changes to your medications without consulting your doctor first. If you or someone else has taken too much of this medication and is experiencing severe symptoms such as passing out or difficulty breathing, it's important to seek immediate medical attention by calling 911 or contacting a poison control center. Symptoms of an overdose may include nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, and extreme drowsiness. It's important not to share this medication with anyone else unless your doctor tells you to. To prevent giving lice to someone else or getting them again, make sure to wash all headwear, scarves, coats, and bed linens in hot water and dry them in a hot dryer for at least 20 minutes. You can also dry clean these items, seal them in a plastic bag for 2 weeks, or spray them with a disinfectant that kills lice. Brushes and combs should be soaked in hot water, hotter than 130 degrees Fahrenheit per 54 degrees Celsius, for 10 minutes, soaked in alcohol for 1 hour, or thrown away. It's also important to thoroughly vacuum furniture and floors. If you're in close contact with someone who has lice, such as a family member, it's important to check for lice and nits and consider treatment even if live lice are not found. If you forget to use any of the products in the Lice Complete Kit 123, it's important to talk to your doctor or pharmacist for guidance. Remember to store the Lice Complete Kit 1-2-3 at room temperature and keep it away from children and pets. Do not flush the medications down the toilet or pour them into a drain. When the product is expired or no longer needed, make sure to properly discard it. You can consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for guidance on how to do this. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.